Today, I'll show you how to set up price alerts on Kayak. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or just dreaming of future travels, setting up price alerts can help you snag the best deals on flights, accommodations, and car rentals. It's a straightforward process, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step, ensuring you won't miss out on those fantastic prices. First, let's start by navigating to kayak.com. You can do this by typing the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once the homepage loads, you should see a variety of options for booking flights, hotels, and more. But today we're focusing specifically on how to set up those handy price alerts. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the profile icon. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to do so. Click on the profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Notifications. This is where you'll manage all your alerts. Once you're in the notification section, look for the area labeled Price Alerts. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to create price alert. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a new interface where you can customize your alert settings according to your travel preferences. Now, you'll need to choose what type of alert you want to set up. Kayak offers options for flights, stays, and cars. For the purposes of this video, let's click on Flight. This is one of the most commonly used alerts as flight prices can fluctuate significantly and getting a good deal can make a big difference in your travel budget. After selecting flight, you'll see a few more options. You can choose exact dates if you have specific travel dates in mind, flexible dates if your schedule is a bit more open, or top 25 cities if you're looking for inspiration on where to go based on the best prices available. Choose the option that best fits your plans. Once you've made your selections and customized your alert to your liking, the final step is to click Create Price Alert. This will save your preferences and ensure you receive notifications on any significant price changes. You'll get alerts via email or directly in your Kayak app, depending on your settings, so you can act quickly and secure the best deals. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've set up a price alert on Kayak, putting you one step closer to finding the best travel deals out there. Remember, keeping an eye on price fluctuations can help you save a substantial amount on your next adventure. Happy travels, and may your future bookings be both affordable and enjoyable.